My judicial philosophy is straightforward. A judge must be independent and must interpret the law, not make the law. A judge must interpret statutes as written. A judge must interpret the Constitution as written.
Late this afternoon, Judge Brett Kavanaugh addressed the Senate Judiciary Committee.
I have written more than 300 opinions and handled more than 2,000 cases. I have given it my all in every case.
Earlier, some Democrats wanted the hearing stopped.
Mr. Chairman, I move to adjourn. I ask for a roll call vote.
Democrats want all documents from Kavanaugh's time working for President George W. Bush released.
What is with the rush? What are we hiding by not letting those documents come out?
I think we ought to proceed in regular order.
Republican Chairman Chuck Grassley denied the motion, saying the documents should not be released due to the confidential nature of his work.
The issues Judge Kavanaugh worked on are exactly the sort of issues that require, according to the Supreme Court, some assurance of confidentiality.
And late yesterday, the Senate Judiciary Committee received about 42,000 pages of documents, and Democrats say they had little time to review them.
No one could prepare and review 42,000 documents in one evening. We know that, no matter how much coffee you drink.
At least one person who worked with Judge Kavanaugh, former Secretary of State Condoleezza Rice, spoke on his behalf.
Brett listens, especially to those with whom he disagrees. And in our charged environment, when we have become almost tribal, living in echo chambers and often finding comfort in the company of only those with whom we agree, this is an indispensable quality for the responsibilities of the Supreme Court.
Senate lawmakers also dealt with protesters.
Mr. Chairman, I think we ought to have this loudmouth removed.
Over the next few days, Kavanaugh is expected to face questions on a wide range of issues, including affirmative action and executive authority. Democrats fear women could lose their abortion rights, but Republicans push back.
They don't have substantive points strong enough to derail this nomination.
Strongly agree with the...
And with Republicans in control of the Senate, Democrats have little hope of keeping Kavanaugh off the bench. Within the last half hour, President Trump tweeted saying the hearing showed, quote, how mean, angry, and despicable the other side is. Republicans hope to have Kavanaugh seated in October.